Welcome to our video on meditation for beginners. In today's fast-paced world, it can be hard to find a moment of peace and quiet. But with just a few minutes of daily meditation, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase overall well-being. Meditation is an ancient practice that has been used for thousands of years to improve mental and physical health. It's a simple technique that can be practiced by anyone, anywhere, and at any time. Whether you're new to meditation or have been practicing for years, this video will provide a comprehensive guide to the basics of meditation. First, let's talk about finding a quiet and comfortable spot to sit. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or even the floor. It's important to keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. This helps to prevent discomfort and distractions during your meditation practice. You can place your hands in a comfortable position, such as on your knees, in your lap, or holding your thumbs together. This is called a mudra. Mudras are hand gestures that are believed to help channel energy throughout the body and promote relaxation. Once you're seated, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose and out through your mouth. Try to clear your mind of any distractions and focus on the present moment. If you find your mind wandering, simply acknowledge the thought and bring your attention back to your breath. This is normal and it's okay if your mind wanders a bit. The goal is to bring your attention back to your breath each time. Meditation can be as short as a few minutes or as long as an hour. Start with a short time of 10 minutes and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Remember, meditation is a practice and it takes time to get better at it. It's also important to note that there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Everyone's experience is different, so it's important to find a technique that works best for you. Now that you know the basics of meditation, you can start incorporating it into your daily routine. You'll start to notice the positive effects on your mind and body. Some benefits of meditation include reducing stress, anxiety and depression, improving focus and concentration, and promoting overall well-being. It's also important to note that meditation can be complemented with other practices such as yoga and tai chi, which can also have a positive impact on your mental and physical health. Take some time each day to meditate and you'll start to notice the positive effects on your mind and body. Transform your meditation practice and elevate your mental well-being with the powerful resources mentioned in the description. Follow the links now to access the exclusive offer. Don't miss out on the exclusive content and valuable insights in my channel. Hit the subscribe button now.